You have come so far in your journey to learn English. You should be proud of your progress and the hard work you have put to get into where you are today. But don't let that stop you from reaching for more. English is an incredibly significant language, both for your personal life and your career. It is a global language spoken by millions of people around the world. It's the language of business, diplomacy, science, and technology. It's the language of internet, and it is the language of opportunity. By continuing to learn and improve your English skills, you're opening up a world of possibilities. You'll be able to communicate with a wide range of people, both personally and professionally, and you'll be able to access a wealth of knowledge and information that is only available in English. You'll be able to pursue higher education and advance your career. But beyond these practical benefits, learning English will also enrich your life in immeasurable ways. It will expose you to new cultures and ways of thinking. It will broaden your perspective and deepen your understanding of the world. It will give you the ability to connect with people from all walks of life. And it will open your mind to new possibilities and opportunities, just like the way it opened new horizons for me to secure a scholarship and a position at a high-ranking university in the United States. Embrace it as a stepping stone to even greater things. Keep learning, keep striving, and keep pushing yourself to new heights. With hard work and determination, you can achieve fluency and unlock the boundless potential of English, just like the way I did, Professor Walid Khalid.